Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get right into the video. We're gonna do some gelx nails today, and I got these new full cover nail tips from Aprés, and you guys already tried them, and I'm in love. Like, I thought it was not worth the hype, and I was like, well, you know, let me get one, and you should get a pair. Like, these are the best full cover nail tips I've tried so far. They're just so sturdy without needing to apply any gel on top. Anyways, I already sized out my nail tips. I did my nail prep and all the good stuff. So let's get into the application. These nail tips don't come pre-etched, so I'm gonna have to etch them a little bit. And I'm just using 100% acetone for it. Alright, nails are pre-etched, and I'm going to be using my nail glue from Beetles. Okay, and I'm just going to apply a thin layer onto my natural nails. And I'm going to put some in the inside of the nail tip. Leave a little bit excess. And I'm just going to be putting it on. Make sure I have no air bubbles, and I will be curing. Alright, and I'm just going to be doing this to the rest of the nails. Alright, all the nails are on, and now I'm gonna be starting to reshape. When I put that on, I had to stop and I had to leave for work, and now I'm finishing it now. But I spilled some gel here and it was bothering me so much, so I picked it off and I ripped off some of the nail, but that's okay. I'm just gonna fix it with some builder gel. But yeah, let's start reshaping and taking the shine away. Basically also like just sealing the end to make it nice and crisp. Alright, nails are shaped and filed, and I love this new cuticle bit I bought, especially for my gelx nails. Like, you get the lines so cleaned up and it looks so natural. Anyways, next step is gonna be applying a base coat. This is like a rubber base coat basically with like a color, so I'm gonna apply this on top. All right, this is one coat. I feel like it's not the color I ordered. It's kind of like too light, but I'm just gonna be using this anyways. All right, here are the nails after I put like 3 coats on of that gel. And I don't know what I should think about that color. It looked better online when I bought it, but oh well. This is the nail design I came up with. I'm not really sure what I wanted to do, but I kind of like it. It's kind of like a flower, reflective glitter, so but yeah, it's I'm just gonna be doing it to this nail, and I think I'm gonna be doing a French tip to the rest of the nails. And I use this blue chrome powder for it, and I'm just applying some chrome powder onto the nail. Usually to apply the chrome powder I would put a top coat on top and apply the chrome powder, but this gel polish is so sticky. Even though wiping it with alcohol and washing it with soap, it's still so sticky. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, so I was just able to rub it on, and now I'm taking my rhinestone glue to apply some glue to make it look like a flower. And then I'm using my brush to just make it look more like a flower. Okay, I like this, and I will be curing. Alright, the flowers are on, and now I'm gonna be doing a white French tip to the rest of the nails. All the French tip is on, and I actually wanted to keep it simple, but I think I want to add like those flower charms, and I'm gonna be using my Marquardt rhinestone glue to put them on. Next, I'm gonna go in with some top coat. Now I'm gonna apply some cuticle oil. Alright, and here to finish nails. I wish I started off with the aprés sooner, because like these nails like feel so sturdy. From all the full cover nail tips, these are like the best ones I tried so far. If you have any other recommendation, let me know. I'm curious to see if there's anything else good out there. I tried a lot, but there have never been like sturdy, you know, they were like always bending. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this nail set. I had a lot of fun doing these. I don't think I'm the biggest fan of how the design turned out, but I love the French tip. I'm like not really creative when it comes to creating a nail set by myself. I struggle a lot of times, and I feel like so not inspired right now by nail sets. I kind of like this plain looking set recently, so yeah, still cute. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.